Whoa!
You made it! That was cool! Baby Adventures!
Oh, I found it. Oh, we'll wait. Okay, I'm ready.
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready now?
I'm ready.
And scene. Hey everybody, BBN Adventures here. We're at park number 43.
Woo!
That's halfway. So we got some special guests with us. We got Aunt Julie. We got Jace. We got Jasmine. Emmett's awake.
Right, Jasmine?
Cameron's here. Krieger Park 43.
Who's ready?
Woo! This guy is.
There's a splash pad here, and we're gonna go have some fun and splash around. So, park number 43, here we go! Woo!
We like that. That's good.
Whoa!
Nice jump.
Careful, jeez.
Parkour. Parkour right there.
Yeah, whoa. Wait for Emmett. Wait for Emmett. Oh, make it across. Make it across. Get in line. Make it across. You did it, Jace.
Hard up now.
Come on, Emmett. You did it. You did it. No.
Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
Oh my gosh. I can make that jump too. Oh, Jace is a little older than you though. I can make it too.
My feet are lava.
If Jace can make it, I can make it too.
Right.
But I can make. I bet you can make this one. Do it.
Come on. Oh my goodness, he did it.
I'll help you with that one, Fire. You did a good job on that one. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Damn it. Focus. Focus. Focus.
Wanna hold my hand? No.
You gotta do it on your own. Do it, Emmett. Oh! Oh! Hold on!
You got this, buddy.
Bend your legs. Bend your legs.
Tighten the 4.
Bend your legs.
That was a hard one.
There you go.
That was a really hard
Bend.
one.
Bend your legs. Bend. Jace, please be careful.
I am. Oh!
Yeah, bend. Don't you? If you feel like go like this, bend.
I can.
Bend. Bend. That's it. Give me a kiss. Jace. Please be
I
careful.
can. What? Height. Don't do the ground. Whoa, I made it! It's a little bit harder. It's a little bit harder. No, big no. Wings.
So big, no, domingo.
Careful on
So big, no, domingo.
Oh, let's fly to the end.
So big, no, domingo.
Monkey bars!
Be careful. You're all wet.
You can help them.
Yeah.
Whoa.
All right. Be careful, please.
Yeah, but you're tipping it!
Oh, why is it tipping? It tips.
I feel like how it tips.
I could do one of these.
It tips.
All right. Da-na-na-na-na. Yeah. You gotta go like this.
Whoa!
Sure. What's that? Oh, heart. I thought that was.
Whoa!
Oh my god.
Do Aunt Edie's pose like she went like that.
I'll do my needle
That's a good idea.
needle stand.
Do you?
No, do the needles, the splits. Not that. Okay, that one. Okay, wow. Oh, I was like, oh, I gotta move. I was like, excuse me.
Just like her.
Did she do? Wow, that's it. Beautiful. Looks good. The adventure.
Playgrounds! Splashpad!
Splashpad.
Cousins.
Cousins. Sweetness.
You can jump that? Whoa!
Oh my god.
What's up, dude?
I
You
can't sit right
gonna jump that? Whoa!
Hey,
Camden, Ninja Warrior.
now. Stuck in here with the minutes.
Here goes Camden. Twisty curvy slide.
Jasmine, Camden on the
Twisty curvy ladder. What are you gonna do on this side? Ooh. Oh.
Found him.
Oh, he's gonna turn.
And I was too wet.
You've chosen wisely.
You okay? That metal one?
Camden, you won. Checking out the splash pad. Oh! Wow! Wow! That's good. I was checking out the specs on the splash pad.
I win. Let's see you look like Prince. Or like you're going. Yeah, that's good. Swimming. Watch out for the fish.
Water turned off. Oh, I gotta push the button. I gotta restart it. There it goes. Here it goes. Ooh, which way is it gonna go? Which way is it gonna go? There it is. Oh, I missed. I don't think you're trying hard enough. Ooh, which way is it gonna go, Camden? Which way is it gonna go? You guys, somebody's gotta stand on either side. Camden, stand here. You stand there. Who's it gonna be? Oh, it turned off again. Oh, a little bit. Jasmine thought she could be sneaky and hide. There goes Camden. Camden, get under there.
How?
He's gotta go.
How?
See? Like that. You got this. Do it. Do it. Okay. You done it. Oh. Oh. You gotta commit. Oop, they're going over here now. Oh, I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. All right. What's that one do?
I don't know.
You're gonna sit on it? What if it goes off? Well, that was close.
Hold one. And then.
Wow, wow, wow. Is it raining? are you doing now? Oh!
That's like my bracelet.
What? Spin. Now give me a sad face. Give me happy face. Give me surprised face. What? Ah! You got me. You got me. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, he's good. Ta-da! I too like to live dangerously. That's all. Not that dangerously. Then we gotta turn it back.
What is this?
That turns it on. And slide. Get on slide. Oh man, that looks fast. Whoa! Oh!
That was bad.
Almost crashed. Get here. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, she down.
This is a new upgrade.
Whoa, man.
100%. 100%.
Whoa.
You made it! That was cool!
Whoa. You lost a shoe. Whoa.
Here I come! Nowhere to go to. I'm scared.
Whoa.
Oh man! Watch out!
Ooh, you could say, whoa.
Who's in here? Wait. What do you got, Jace?
I got a lock says be kind.
That's right. And what are you going to do with it?
I'm gonna go hide it.
All right. And what happens if somebody that's watching the video finds it?
Comment down below who finds it.
All right. Thanks, buddy. Go hide it in a cool spot. All right, Jasmine, what do you got?
A fairy door.
All right. You going to go put that out somewhere?
Yes.
Okay, I'll follow you. All right, we are all done here at Krieger Park.
Gosh, I was like, fall down.
But I don't want
Jasmine, what was your favorite part of the park?
Probably the splash pad and the dump when it jumps on your head.
Oh yeah, the bucket dump for sure. Jace, what was your favorite part?
Everything.
Everything. And Julie, what was your favorite part?
It jumped on your head.
Cousins and Aunt Edie and Uncle Chris. Woo!
Oh, that's us.
You
Daddy,
guys.
what was your favorite part?
Splashpad, obviously.
Emmett, what was your favorite part?
Everything!
Everything! And Camden, what was your favorite part? Wait for it.
That the bunny thingy.
The BB thing? With this...
Oh, need that thingy with blue?
The beeping thing they're playing?
Oh,
Oh,
the
the
game. The 360 game. Yeah, that was pretty cool. All right, and my favorite part was the splash pad, or everything actually is a really cool part. I like the swing with the baby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is like.
Oh, the swing with the baby.
Yeah.
The mommy and baby swing.
Yeah, I like that one.
That was cool. What's up, Em?
I don't want to be done.
You don't want to be done. You want to leave. All right, well, we got to leave. But we want to thank you all for joining us. And comment down below and let us know what your...
on this video.
Leave a like for the J Crew. Woo! That's right. J Crew. Yeah. Comment down below. Let us know what your favorite part of this video was, or this park was. We'd love to hear from you. Yay, BBN Adventures. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we will see you all next time. Everybody say bye-bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Be fun, be cool, BBN.
Be fun, be cool, BBN. BBN Adventures. Oh. Daddy, go in the water with it. It's waterproof. Oh, you're going to be water. I'm Jasmine.
Yeah.
Can I go? I'm recording.
What?
Oh, that's okay. I'm gonna scholar them, guys. Hopefully. See them, they're over there. I'm trying not to get any kids. But, so yeah. I'm going down. Okay, I'm going down, and this is the parkour. Stop! Yeah, I think I have an idea. We are gonna spy on Uncle Chris. So you go spy. No, I'm gonna do parkour. Okay, guys, I'm doing parkour now. Okay. I just had to see on this one because it's hard to jump. So yeah, guys, I'm sorry, but it's. Are you ready, guys? This is the hardest part, kind of. Okay, let's go. Bye. Look at me, I think. I'm not actually a YouTuber, but kind of a bit. What just happened?
You guys aren't doing anything funny.
Huh?
How about you guys?
Hi.
In front of it. Ready? I can't see, it's too close.
Okay.
This is the best YouTube channel.
The what?
The best YouTube channel.
Heck yeah, it is.
I don't know what to say.
Just say something.
I know where to hide and walk at.
Say something about
Don't
eating
say
Uncle
it.
Chris, the
You want to tell
BBN.
everybody where you hit the rock? Yeah, tell them. It'd be a special clue if they watch till the end. I'll tell them.
It's over there in that tree.
In that tree right there.